how to fix Steam error code E20. So first, make sure you exit out of Steam. So right click on it and click on exit Steam. So after you have closed off Steam, what you have to do is open up your computer search and then type in run and open up the run app. So it will look like this. All we have to do is type in %local app data % and press enter. It will load up a folder with the cached files. So here we just have to find Steam. So I'm going to scroll, and right here I can find the Steam folder, and all we gotta do is right click on it and delete it. So after we have deleted the Steam folder, make sure you restart your PC, and then hopefully this fixes error E20 for you. Don't forget to like and sub if this worked, and I'll see you next time.